So you have pressure in your forehead, maybe you have sinuses problem, sinusitis, and then we have a lymph node located right there. So if that lymph node expanded, it will give some pressure to your lymph nodes, pressure to your nerves, to your veins, and to your lymphatic system. So you need to drain that lymph node. Use your thumb like this, and you squeeze it like that. By squeezing that lymph node, the lymph node gets smaller, and if it gets smaller, you get better passage for fluid flow. Because if you have a headache or migraine located in your forehead, or then it's maybe bad fluid flow. So let me show you here. We have this guy showing the lymphatic system, and we have the lymphatic system here, and the lymph node look like this, and you see in this area all the green stuff is the lymph node, and this one is a big lymph node, and we have one right here. So drain that one, and maybe if you have a clogged nose, you can drain this lymph node too. Drain it like that, squeeze it, push in like this, and squeeze it quite hard like that, and then that lymph node gets smaller, and the passage for fluid flow gets better, and the pressure to your head, the migraine or the headache, goes away. Maybe your sinusitis get better. Try that. My name is Rune. I'm from Norway, and I try to teach you to get pain-free. So please subscribe if you want to learn more. I try to learn you to fix yourself. Thank you.